Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Leanova supplement. Leanova is promoted as a natural supplement designed to help control cravings, support weight management, and boost metabolism. Its formula includes ingredients like fenugreek, red yes rice, cinnamon, and berberine extracts, which are commonly associated with appetite control, energy support, and healthy metabolic functions. The product is simple to use, with just one capsule a day, making it easy to fit into a daily routine. The company emphasizes transparency, stating that all ingredients are natural and of the premium quality. Leanova also highlights customer reviews from the UK to show the people have used it successfully as part of their weight management journey. The supplement is marketed as especially useful for those whose metabolism slows with age, helping them maintain energy levels and manage cravings more effectively. It's presented as a straightforward and natural option for supporting a healthier lifestyle without complicated routines. However, there's limited independent evidence or clinical studies confirming that effectiveness of Leanova on its own. Results are likely to vary depending on diet, exercise, and individual body response. Overall, Leanova looks like a convenient and natural way to support metabolism and curb cravings. It may help some users as part of a healthy lifestyle, but the lack of strong third-party verification means buyers should be cautious and not expect guaranteed results. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.